Hello everyone, welcome on Kiev YouTube channel. And as you could remember, we had great news in the previous video last week, and actually we released brand new platform, and today we are starting to discuss all the functions and all the features you can find on the platform, so to make your work with App Store optimization and keyword promotion easier. And today we will talk how to find keywords for your application using the features on our new platform. As we already mentioned, the platform is ready and is waiting for your test. So let's start and discuss how to find more search requests for your application using our platform. First of all, it is needed to mention that despite the fact that the platform is updated, still all the functions and features are the same. So first of all, when you work with the application, when you would like to find the keywords for your app, it is needed to add it to the platform, and you still can work both with Google Play App Store with the unlimited number of applications. So just you add your application using the direct link and choose the region you would like to work in. Then of course we go to the section that is called My Keywords, and here already you can find the keywords for your application, and you can extend the semantic core your application has when you, for example, gather the search requests for App Store optimization, or when you would like to gather the keywords so to be able to promote them in the particular country and to achieve top positions using our installs. So of course, first of all, you choose the store you would like to work with, then you choose the application and the country you prefer to find the keywords for, as remember that the search list is different in different countries, and actually your application may have different positions for the same keyword in different countries. So after you have chosen the country, you need to add the keywords. Of course, we do understand that when we gather the keywords for our application, first of all, we brainstorm and suggest which search request our potential organic users may use, so to find our application in the search list on the particular store. So of course, the first step you may do is just to add all the keywords which you believe to be relevant to your application. After this, we remember that we have additional tools on our platform that can help you to find the keywords. First of all, it is needed to mention the button which is called Suggested Keywords, and this can help to increase the number of search requests which you can add to App Store optimization or to keyword promotion. Of course, there are no limitations in the number of search requests you would like to add to the platform, and you can add unlimited number of keywords on your account on our platform. Here, of course, you can check all the details about the keyword. First of all, the most important factor when we work with keyword promotion, it is the position or so-called rank which your application has for this search request in the particular country. So you can check the ranks both for Google Play and App Store, as well as for any country where Google Play and App Store are available. The next factor which helps us actually to define if the keyword is popular or not, and if we should work with this keyword in App Store optimization and keyword promotion, is of course score. Of course, we do remember that for Google Play there is no official data, unfortunately, and there is no way to define if the keyword is real popular, and most App Store optimization services just used their own formula so to be able to show the score for you when you work with the platform. Then also we talk about the traffic, and when we talk about this factor, it is needed to mention that there is no data, not only for Google Play, but for App Store as well. So please pay attention that it is approximate number, and actually it is calculated with the help of formula as well. After this, we see additional buttons which actually can help you to optimize the process of promotion. First of all, it is the button called Promote, and using it, you can can go to the section where the campaign may be created and just to create and set the order at once. Of course, we do remember about suggestion button. We do remember that you can add the list of keywords, like delete keywords, add some new ones, and one more new function which actually can help you to check the competitors and to check the full search list for any search request in any country. It is called Top Apps, so this button gives the possibility to check all 250 applications which are available for the particular search request in the particular country. We worked hardly to provide an access to the new platform as soon as possible, and we'll be really happy if you go to the new platform, test it, and share your feedback. Do not forget that except keyword promotion, KeyApp provides App Store optimization tools as well that can help you to work with text metadata and the keyword research when you gather the search request for App Store optimization or for keyword promotion. Go to the new platform, test, share your feedback, and wait for the new videos on our channel.